the scriptwriter Shri Ampadi Kaimal and Inia, the heroine of the film Ayal. Let's chat with them. You are a bureaucrat and you are also a scriptwriter. How do you manage both these things?
I mean, it is only a question of managing time and question of following your passion, so that you can find a judicious mix between your work as well as your passion.
दोनों आप balance कर पा रहे हो?
Till now.
Actually, you are a 21st generation kind of kid. So, how do you go back to 1950 and get enacted so lively into that character?
Yeah, very first, when Ambadi sir and Suresh sir told me the story, like you have to take care of every movements that you input to the character. So I was very keen that my every movement should be clear. So I have so many doubts. So, like I'm asking to the director that, sir, shall I do like this? Shall I do like that? So he's telling like, no, you'll do like this, whatever I say. Like so many difficulties I felt at the shooting spot. Very first, I couldn't able to handle the character. After 3-4 days, it goes naturally within me. So the director Suresh Unithan sir described me every sequence very crystal clearly. So that's why I understand very deeply. That's why the output of Chakra.
1950s का portray कर रहे हो and there is a serpentine worship. So why did you choose this?
Actually, we also wanted to document the serpentine worship and serpentine rituals, which is actually a sort of a dying art form, which was very prevalent in that times. So it was quite natural for us to pitch for that time, so that we can very realistically picture these serpentine rituals of that period. Then we also wanted to tell that actually this is a subject. When love being a subject which is eternal, it always transcends space and time. So what has been relevant, what has been going through the mind of Dasan, what has been going through the mind of Chakra, of that the Andarjanam, it is still relevant and it is still going in the mind of people who are in the 21st generation kids as well.
You are in 44th International Film Festival of Goa. Is this your first film?
No, I started my acting career when I am in 4th standard. So after that I did lots of short films and international movies, and basically I'm a dancer and a model too. So I started my acting career in Malayalam only, but my acceptance and my recognition got as a heroine in Tamil industry. So come back to Ayal, I was really happy and I'm very thankful to Ambadi sir and Suresh Unithan sir and the whole crew members of Ayal, and I'm really happy to be a part of 44th International Film Festival, Goa.
What is your feedback or whatever it is about your heroine?
And I mean, I was just telling her after this show of the particular scene where I was actually very much impressed by that scene, her performance. In fact, while she was shooting, we actually whole set stood up and clapped for her for that particular sequence, which was very, very subtly done. And what I have liked in her was that actually she has totally imbibed the character, and she has portrayed it in a very subtle manner. I mean, without going for any over expressions. I mean, totally in control, and she has given, I think that more than 100% of her capabilities. And I think that as a scriptwriter and for the director as well as, I can say that she has done complete justice to this character.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Nia.